Hey, what's up, Linda? Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three quick tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. You got a little bit of content here. Even these images with the what you have them saved behind it as well. It's all content, and Google actually sees that. You can put keywords back there, and that'll just help with your rankings. But really, bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer keywords as well. Keywords is actually how people actually find your website. Now, if I go inside of hang on, go inside of Google and go to Heating Repair Orlando, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually brand new with Google. They're trying to go away with these old school traditional ads because these old school ads actually bring in a lot of spammy phone calls. These are just another form of paid advertisement, which some of these ads, just by clicking on it, I'm not going to do it, costs about $47, some of them. Anyway, so if we come down here, we got this little map section here. And really, to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really, what you would want to do is go in and get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We actually want to keep on getting a lot more as well, so that we're always outranking them. So underneath this map section, this is where all that organic rankings happen. With a really, to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's all that content on your first page, how authoric you are, plus what's called a backlink. What a backlink is a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks actually created equal. I just want to pull up your website here real quick. So if I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your website. I'm going to do an overview real quick. So you got 121 referring domains, which is pushing back 685 backlinks. You have a good UR/DR ratio, which is good. You should have those between about a 10 or so. Looks like you started your website back in January 2017, or did I get that right? I don't know. August 2017, whatever. Looks like you from these backlinks, you got 685. Historically, you had 2.7. Looks like you're not running any ads, and your total traffic is about 617 clicks every single month. These are the keywords on what you're actually being found for. And if we take these 617, we can actually find them inside of your keywords. So you can actually see the position that you're actually ranking, the keywords themselves, the amount of clicks that happen inside of each area, or depending on what keyword that is, it could be national as well. But just kind of showing you what you're actually ranking for. Water dripping from air conditioning vent, water dripped from AC vent, water leaking from air conditioner vent. How to fix water dripping from AC vent. Uh, Air duct leaking water. Got your name in there. Water is coming out of AC. Water and air duct, Philips AC. So we're missing a lot of buyer's intent keywords. This is, I just kind of show you one of your competitors, what they're actually ranking for. I'm just going to put them inside of Ahrefs real quick. So this is their words that they're actually ranking for right inside of Orlando area. They do have multiple locations, but just kind of give you an idea on the keywords that they're actually ranking for. They're first, second, there's a third position up there as well. But AC repair, Orlando, Florida. Very buyer's intent keyword there. Just that one keyword, there's 200 clicks every single month. He's getting 70 clicks just off that one keyword phrase to his website every month. Out of the 600 clicks, AC repair, Orlando, he's still getting a good amount right there. Orlando AC repair, another 150 clicks. He's getting 48 clicks to his website every month because he's first position, and the volume of clicks is at 150. So he's getting a decent amount of traffic with those keywords. Anyway, so going and picking those same keywords and making sure you're being found for them as well will help with the quality work that's coming to your site. If you liked what you've seen, feel free to reach back to me or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.